Nanonood kami today ng Gilas Pilipinas. 8:30 ang laro, Doha time. Pero excited kami. Ano oras pa lang? Alas 2 pa lang oh. Andito na kami. Baka maubusan kami ng upuan. Ayan oh. Yan yung sa likod ko. Yun yung mas excited. Yung dalawa. So andito na kami sa venue. Ano siya? Qatar University Sports Complex. Qatar University. So good luck Gilas. Pilipinas. Gilas Pilipinas. Daming kabayan. Ha? Kumusta kabayan? Gilas Pilipinas.
Qatar.
Pustahan tayo. Sige. Sige, plus 20 pa ang Gilas. Sige, Qatar tayo ha. So, go Qatar. Daming tao. Anong oras na ba? So, 1 hour before tip-in. Daming tao, daming pila. Dapat sa sunod, i-held print sa ano? Sa yung malaking stadium. Kala mo hindi practice eh. Yan, daming tao. Go Gilas!
As soon as possible, please, thank you very much. Ladies and gents, in your seats. Tip off. Ready to do some real damage here tonight. Of course, all the teams are using this in preparation for the third window of the Asian Cup. For Ramos, the number 24. And he does. 2 points up for number 19, Qatar. 18-16, under 2 minutes remaining in this first quarter. And there he is, Edu, flying high. Oh yeah, listen to the Gilas! I can hear you! And another two, CJ Perez pushing his way through, finds support in the form of Tamaya. Tamaya goes inside. Oh! And a timeout called again.
Lamang ng 8 ang
Qatar. Mukhang
talo Prince nagkata 3 fouls na si Fahard. Mukhang talo ang Gilas.
Qatar.
Go Qatar!
Perez. Brownlee. Two shots for the Filipinos down the other end. Son, tapped away into the hands of Bobo.
Lawang ang Philippines!
Last 2 minutes remaining. 1 point difference. Gilas leading by 1 point. Brownlee.
Pakagat lang ang Philippines! Timers! Pakagat lang, pakagat! Nabuhayan si Brownlee! Lamang na ang Pilipinas!
Congratulations to the Philippines.